remarkable biological features. Measuring just 5 millimeters in length, it has a pair of black, beady eyes and rhinophores that resemble sheep's ears, giving it an endearing face. Its body is adorned with serrata, leaf-shaped appendages that are green due to chloroplasts stored within them. What truly sets the leaf slug apart is its ability to perform kleptoplasty. This rare phenomenon involves the slug ingesting chloroplasts from the algae it consumes, specifically from algae of the genus Avrainvilia. Instead of digesting these chloroplasts, the leaf slug incorporates them into its own cells, allowing it to photosynthesize like a plant. This unique ability enables it to convert artists and nature enthusiasts alike. The discovery and documentation of such creatures highlight the incredible diversity of marine life and the many mysteries that the ocean still holds. The leaf slug serves as a reminder of the fascinating adaptations organisms can develop, blurring the lines between the animal and plant kingdoms. Number 7. Royal Python with smiley face pattern. The royal lavender albino python has become an internet sensation, captivating audiences with its remarkable pattern of yellow-colored smiley faces. These smiley-like markings, often appearing in groups of 3, give the snake a cheerful, almost whimsical look. This unique pattern is the result of recessive genetic mutations achieved through years of selective breeding, 3 to 5 feet in length, making them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts. The breeding process to create the lavender albino python with smiley face markings requires patience, expertise, and knowledge of genetics. These patterns are the result of recessive traits, meaning both parent snakes must carry the specific genetic markers for the pattern to appear. The striking lavender coloration, combined with bright yellow blotches, adds to its visual appeal. While these pythons are adored by many, opinions are divided. Some animal lovers marvel at their beauty, while others question the ethics of breeding animals for aesthetic traits. Nonetheless, the royal lavender albino python is highly coveted in the pet trade, with prices reaching up to $2,500 per snake. This rare python is just rodent on the planet. How is it possible for a rodent to weigh up to 35 pounds, 16 kilograms? What does it eat? What does it look like? The appearance of the Patagonian hare can be described as a combination of different animals. It has the body and long legs of a small deer, the ears of a rabbit, and a face that resembles a capybara. It's indeed a strange sight, but this unique morphology has its advantages. The Patagonian hare inhabits the grasslands of South America, where it feeds on grass and other vegetation. Why does it need to eat droppings? How does it digest vegetation? The Patagonian hare employs a unique strategy for digesting vegetation, which involves consuming grass very fast, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour, 72 km when in danger, making it one of the fastest rodents. Despite its agility and unique adaptations, the Patagonian hare remains a rare and somewhat mysterious creature, facing threats from habitat loss and competition with introduced species like the European hare. Number 5. Black chickens. In the world of animals, many breeds stand out, but few are as unique as the Ayam Cemani chicken. This breed, native to Indonesia, is entirely black, not just the feathers, but also the skin, bones, internal organs, meat, and even blood. This striking feature is due to a genetic condition called fibromelanosis, caused by the hyperactivity of the EDN3 gene. The activity of this gene is also easier to raise compared to others, as it requires fewer antibiotics, further reducing breeding costs. Ayam Cemani chickens are rare outside Southeast Asia. In Indonesia, they hold cultural and spiritual significance, often used in traditional ceremonies and rituals. In Bali, they are even bred for cockfighting. Due to their rarity and demand, Ayam Cemani chickens are among the most expensive in the world. In the United States, a single chick can cost as much as $1,000 to $200. This exclusivity, combined with their mystical appearance, has made the Ayam Cemani a global symbol of exoticism and rarity. They are considered a national treasure of Indonesia and a marvel of nature. Number 4. Poodle moth. The poodle moth is this moth really. Scientists have not been able to determine its exact species definitively. The poodle moth is characterized by its increased hairiness, with its body, legs, and wings covered in fine, dense setae, giving it a fuzzy appearance. Its size is relatively small, with an estimated wingspan of about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters. Unlike typical butterflies, it has a more robust body shape and well-developed mouthparts that allow it to feed on various types of vegetation. Fascinating, isn't it? The poodle moth is believed to belong to the family Erebidae, or possibly the subfamily Limontrinae, which includes tussock moths. Some scientists speculate that it could be closely related to species like the Diophora mendica, also known as the muslin moth, due to may be discovered as entomologists continue to explore these areas. Number 3. Dracula orchid. The Dracula orchid, named after the legendary vampire Dracula, is one of the most exotic and rare orchids in the world. Found in the tropical forests of South and Central America, particularly in Ecuador and Colombia, this fascinating plant gets its eerie name from its unique appearance. Its flower resembles a face with fangs, and the name Dracula translates to little dragon in Latin, reflecting its mysterious allure. What sets the Dracula orchid apart is not just its striking looks, but also its clever survival strategies. The flower emits a scent similar to ripe fruit or mushrooms, attracting flies due to deforestation and climate change, making them a prized but endangered treasure of the natural world. This orchid's mysterious appearance and adaptive abilities make it a captivating example of nature's creativity, reminding us of the hidden wonders waiting to be discovered in the world's rainforests. Number 2. Mwanza flat-headed rock agama. Next, we introduce you to a rather unusual creature that has captured the fascination of people worldwide, the Mwanza flat-headed rock agama, often referred to as the Spider-Man agama. This reptile's striking coloration bears a remarkable resemblance to the comic book superhero Spider-Man. The Mwanza flat-headed rock agama is native to East Africa, specifically in Kenya, Tanzania. Despite its vibrant colors and athletic build, the Mwanza agama is not a real superhero. In the face of danger, it employs survival tactics common to lizards, such as quickly retreating into crevices between rocks and adjusting its coloration to blend into the surroundings. Males can change their bright colors to a dull brown to avoid detection, which is crucial in the wild, where bold displays can attract predators. The Mwanza agama primarily feeds on insects, including ants, beetles, and grasshoppers, but it may also consume seeds and berries. It is a diurnal creature, most active during the day when it can bask in the sun to regulate its body temperature. This lizard has gained popularity among reptile enthusiasts due to its striking appearance. Found in the tropical forests of Suriname, Guyana, and other parts of South America, this extraordinary amphibian stands out for its bizarre appearance and unique reproductive abilities. The Suriname toad can grow up to 8 inches long and has a flat, leaf-like body that helps it camouflage in murky waters. Unlike most toads, it lacks a tongue and teeth, relying on suction to capture prey like small fish and invertebrates. What truly makes this toad remarkable, however, is its method of reproduction. Females carry fertilized eggs on their backs, where the skin swells to form protective pockets. Over several weeks, the eggs develop into tadpoles and then into fully formed toadlets that emerge directly from the mother's skin, an astonishing sight. The Suriname toad also Thanks for watching another episode. While you are still here, make sure to click the video on your screen for more quality content.